Good morning, my dear children. In this video, I will teach you match the letter with its sound. My dear kids, you have learnt all the letters from A to Z. Now, I will teach you the sound of some letters and then we will match the letter with its sound. Let's begin. This is letter U and U says U umbrella. Next letter is letter V. V says wa. V van. And the next one is W. And W says wa. W watch. The next is X. X says X. X makes 3. Next one is Y. Y says ya. Y yo-yo. And the last one is Z. Z says Z. Zebra. U says a. V says wa. W says wa. X says X. Y says ya. Z says z. So, my dear kids, now we will match the letter with its sound. Let's start. Dear kids, here are some letters and here are the sound of the letters. You have to read the letter carefully and you have to find its sound and then match. This is letter U and U says a. Here is a. So match the letter U with its sound a. Next is V and V says wa. This is wa. Viva vas. You have to match like this. This is letter W. This is letter W. And W says wa. W says wa. You have to match the letter W with its sound wa. X says X. So match the letter X with its sound X. Here is letter Y and Y says ya. Y, ya, yo-yo. Yo-yo is a toy. So match the letter Y with its sound ya. The last one is letter Z. And Z says Z. Speak with me. Z. Z says Z. You have to match the letter with its sound like this. So my dear kids, do practice. Match the letter with its sound at your home and share the images with your class teacher. Thank you. Have a nice day.